Hi, so it's been ages and ages since I actually did a serious build video. There's still a lot on my mind. I won't go into that, but still. Anyway, but I've been keeping busy. Lots of projects on the go, including Yoda. As you can hear him in the background, and the hands and feet as well I've got. Also working on one of these Imperial Guard helmets. It's coming out nice. Like I said, lots of projects, but those two are on hold because what I've done is I've actually been out and I've brought 3D prints of the little baby robots, Jetson and I forget what the other two are called, Weems and another one. 3D prints of them. Always wanted them, always. Love the look of things, love batteries not included the film. Just fanatical about it. And I've got them. They're a nice print, they're good, don't get me wrong, but I've taken a rubber mould of one of them because I do prefer things in resin, because once they've got a little bit more weight to them, they're nicer. They don't feel so cheap. Well, they don't feel cheap, full stop. I'll show you this little guy. This is Weems. If he doesn't fall over it. The first coat is gold. And his eyes will light up. I've just masked them off there because I'm making some clear resin ones. And then once I've finished him, and I've ordered some more silicone, I've taken moulds of the other ones. So I'm really excited about this project. Like I say, sorry I've not been around for a long time and you've only seen me messing about in my videos, but anyway, so let's get back to it. Let's get back to making some serious props. Thanks for keeping with me. I have been keeping up to date with your projects as well, so don't think I've vanished totally. I haven't. Right, so as soon as I make more progress I'll be back. Thanks for watching. Bye.